Alright, so this is the start of the exhaust video. We just filmed the oil video. You guys should have saw that before. If you haven't watched it already, go watch it, then come watch this one. But we're gonna get started on the exhaust. We have a status group V1 section 3 or muffler, whatever you want to call it. My car has Euro headers on it. It has Euro section 1, which are Euro cats, but the previous owner actually gutted them, so no cats at all. And then the stock section 2 and stock section 3, which is the one that we're changing today. So it should be pretty loud. The status group V1 exhaust is pretty dang loud, so I'm excited to see what it sounds like. Should actually sound like a S54 now, because right now it just sounds like super raspy. Like the stock muffler sounds terrible. So we're getting it jacked up right now. A couple of buddies are coming over to help us because that stock muffler is really heavy. This light is blinding me. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get to it.
We just got the car up, and what are you taking off first?
We're gonna take off the point where it mounts up to the rest of the exhaust, and then once we get this unbolted, we'll attack the hangers, because I think that's how like most people do it.
Gotcha.
So it doesn't fall down.
Smart man, smart man. So you said they were pretty loose?
Yeah, for whatever reason, these just like came out like really easy, even though they're like all like corroded and rusted. But I don't know, I'm not complaining, because I only had to use one wrench. I didn't even have to hold the other nut. It's pretty nice.
I don't know if that's like dangerous or not. No, you got the hangers.
Oh, I just got rust in my eye. Hey, we always make fun of Mar for having the crust in. This is the crust and 3.
It really is, bro. Hey, bro, we need power tools.
For real. This shit is brutal, but it's coming out, I think. I hope. Shit.
Is this channel good enough to ask for a sponsor?
Nah. Just being honest.
We gonna stick with the iron.
Maybe Harbor Freight. If you want to send us something, let me know.
Let me know down below. George is here. If you guys didn't realize.
Yeah, I think we need to take off the front control arms.
We're doing exhaust.
Yeah, I think the fucking valve cover gasket has to come off right now.
I'm mad that Mar isn't here.
Oh, cheers.
I do. Actually, yeah. That fool. You're right, George.
Hopefully he doesn't come or some shit. Hopefully he doesn't show up. How'd the oil change go?
Easy.
It blew up.
Any metallic coloring?
We didn't even look yet. You can look at the oil. It's in the pan still. Let me know what it looks like.
For you?
Alright, so these bitches are off. Oh! Rust! The rust is attacking me. Alright, now there's hangers up there, which I say we just unbolt them. You see them?
Yeah.
See them up there? Yeah, so we're just gonna unbolt those. There's 2 on this side. They don't look in too bad condition. I hope they don't tear, because that would suck, because that means we can't put in the new exhaust. But yeah, we're gonna do that on the other side too, and that's about it. And there's no extension for this big ass fool.
What?
That sucks.
Hey, we're educated. Let's use bigger words. There's no extension for this deep socket.
Shut up.
Man, this man don't even know. Shut up.
We're educated.
We mechanics. What you mean?
We mechanics.
Mexicanic. Yo, Parker, Mars here.
What's up? We're gonna start on this exhaust fool. Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
No, he's mad at you. You came late.
I was talking to my sister.
Oh my god.
I didn't
That's what they all say, huh?
nephew.
This one doesn't have a sister.
I did.
Are you filming for him?
Yeah.
Lazy ass.
Hey.
Can you get multitask or what?
No.
Wait, have you taken it off?
No.
What? What?
It's right here.
You guys been kissing this whole time?
Bro, we did the oil change.
Oh. How'd that go?
Good.
Did the pan work?
Yeah. It's a pan.
What's the equivalent to ½ inch in millimeters? Hey Siri.
This man's been here for 2 minutes already on TikTok.
Oh my. Let me get under here.
For what?
Someone can hold this.
Your hand?
I need 2 hands.
Kiss.
Should we put the jack to hold up the
exhaust?
Not yet. There's 2 of these.
It's f***ing heavy.
I want it to hit me in the head and take me out, bro.
This man said, I wanted to hit me in the face.
This man picked violence today, huh?
Yeah.
What happened to the ring light?
Man, shut up.
This man came to get violated.
Why did it take so long?
I was with my sister, I told you. It looks like you haven't done anything anyways. Now you got here on time.
I'm gonna cry. Stop.
Yeah, let me film something real quick. Sheesh! Damn, baby! Glee! Glee! Gleeful!
Hey, where are you going?
Hey, Justin. Oh. I'm tired of this shit. I thought we were getting Chick-fil-A. I didn't know we were doing all this shit.
You sat at home all day.
And what? That shit was relaxing with my day off.
You worked.
It's my day.
I mean, yeah, I worked.
Oh shit, I worked?
Sick ass lighting.
Oh shit. My bad.
This man's drunk.
Hey, I got lost in your eyes. Get that camera out of my face.
It's not in your face.
Why does fool always think we're filming him?
The last thing I want to show.
We don't lose subscribers like that.
This is the start of a porno right here.
Hey.
Mechanic.
2 guys, 1 car.
Hey, I'm stuck under you.
You need help?
I'm stuck under
I
you.
can help you.
Hey, somebody give me a hand.
Can you show off the truck?
Hey, this fool recording everything but
Sheesh.
The battery's like almost dead. Stop doing it.
Oh, is it?
I don't know. Look. I kind of want one of you guys to like hold this from underneath, because this is the last bracket.
I'm the strongest.
My hands are full.
Yeah, my hands are full too. It's like a bench, right? Like I'm bench pressing this shit.
Yeah. Easy, lightweight.
Lightweight, baby.
What are the specs on your car, bro? Ferrari?
Cool car, man.
Good car, man. Can this beat the Ferrari? BMW. Lo que le falta es un pinche tomé. Right there? Ooh.
So it's still connected on the
JDM
exhaust
car.
part. There you go. This is coming out. Watch out. There might be a little clamp in there that will fall.
Oh! Was that the clamp?
The f was that?
Keep that. We need that.
You good?
All right, go down.
Alright, I'm going down.
You good,
slow.
George?
Yep.
Keep shaking it. There you go, more, a little bit more. Ah, it's out, it's out.
It's out.
Oh, it's almost out.
What is it stuck on?
It's just stuck in that.
Oh.
Nice. Get us a mallet. Yeah, do that. Oh, yeah, babe. One more time. Yeah, boy.
It should be off.
One more time for the
What it up on?
There you go.
Go down.
Put the jack down. Ready?
There's
Yeah,
just
go
on
for
the hanger.
You can go fast. Like we can take it.
Alright, go a little bit slower. Stop. Alright, let me get out from underneath.
All the way down.
Okay, keep going.
Just pull it out.
Yeah. Pull it.
Hey, bro, we're trying to sell it. What you mean?
It's working.
Sheesh.
Alright.
I think he's fat.
It was just stuck on the pins for the hangers. That's what it was stuck on. Alright.
I'm glad we stole this car. Oh, I mean, don't worry about it.
Should we start it up like that?
Do it.
One,
Just to do it, yeah.
What you about to do?
Alright, we're about to start it up. No muffler, because you always got to do that. You always got to hear a straight pipe.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hey, we don't even need the exhaust. That's pretty loud, yeah. I mean, it sounds pretty good though.
sound annoying.
No.
That's loud.
I should have revved it.
It's not like the FRS over
I'm
there.
not trying to your neighborhood.
Nah, bro, they don't. They won't know.
Do it again. Do it again. I'll put it on the hub.
You want me to rev it?
Yeah,
Like how much?
like 4,000.
That would be loud.
What does your thing go up to? Oh, that's hot.
That's hot.
Only do like.
Sorry, the neighbor's not subscribed.
Can you get like a light? Can you put the light on closer?
Yep.
You did, bro.
I knew that shit would happen.
It's not late. It's only 6:51.
Oh,
Everyone's still up, bro. It's okay.
everyone's gonna come out of the house. Hey, what the fuck? What was that?
Was that a BMW? Is that your BMW?
That thing's kind of loud.
Dude,
It's kind of loud.
Pretty fucking loud.
It sounded good.
Yeah.
So it's a 5-cylinder or inline 5?
Six.
6.
Yeah.
Sounds sick,
Not bad.
We should have went to Chick-fil-A with that.
bro.
We could. Honestly, that shit's way too loud. I hate that. I hope it's nowhere near that loud, cause like, if it is, I'm gonna be like, feel really bad.
What does this kid think he is?
Lay down, Parker.
Huh?
Lay down.
I know.
Lay down with me. Where is this one going?
I think it's the left side.
This one here?
Whoa, where'd the light go?
Oh, I totally forgot. I was like, I'm gonna readjust.
Let me see.
What?
You're just blown out, bro.
No, it goes inside this.
Yep.
Damn.
Let me see them hands.
Crusty.
Video for the hub.
Alright. Damn, that shit's bright. So, that took forever because we don't have power tools. But next install, we're definitely getting power tools, even if we have to rent them. That was brutal. But we got it on there. We're gonna start up, check for leaks, and then obviously the tips are kind of wacky right now, so I can adjust that on the hangers. So we'll do that after. But I just want to start up, see what it sounds like. So let's do it.
Sounds good. I don't hear any leaks. Sounds like it's coming straight from you.
It's not leaking.
Yeah.
Which is good. Give it a little rev.
Go get the keys.
Sounds good.
Thank God it doesn't sound like straight pipes.
Yeah. The other one we did when we took off the muffler, that's too much.
When you get up in the revs, I'm 100% sure you go.
It's way louder than what it was, though, which is crazy. Alright, so I guess let's adjust the hanger.
Yeah.
What's that Adam?
Oh shit.
Oh wait, what you got?
Man, where'd it go?
No sponsorships or what? Huh? No free advertising?
But if they would want to, my boy is using Adam's. All right, first initial drive. How you feeling?
Alright, we've only gone up to like 3,000 RPMs, but this shit is so much louder. That stock muffler was just like, do I go straight?
All right.
Right? Alright, yeah, it's so much louder. It's just so much like, has so much bass to it. Like, Mar said he could feel it in his ears.
How was it wrong?
So yeah, we're gonna let it warm up and then we'll do like some actual pulls. But even like just driving around, that's 3,000 RPM. So much louder. It sounds good. Good?
Yeah. next one, take a look.
This one?
Yeah. You can sign off.
It's loud. I like it. I couldn't hear it like it wasn't as loud as I thought on the freeway, but I'm guessing like when there's stuff around for the sound to bounce off of, it'll be like way louder. But yeah, I love the tone of it. It's like it has that like classic like straight six sound where it's kind of like what? I love that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I don't know what else to say. Anybody else?
Man, take me a Chick-fil-A.
We're going, bro.
My.
Turn the heater on.
No, hit him with the.
Oh.
Damn, we got a cop right.
Sheesh.